Your most primary belief is I am the body. Only when you start believing that I am this body, then everything else starts happening. Then you believe that I am the body and then I'm doing something. This is the fundamental belief that will now be questioned in all my classes. So I'm now getting into really, if you want to call it, deep spiritual waters. So अगर तुम्हें डर लगता है तो फिर तुम you can go on to the shallow end of the pool, yeah, whatever. But now this is what the classes is going to be about. Because now this is, I feel naturally, this is now the natural progression for me to do what I do. So every class you will be told you are not the body, you are not the mind. Just be conscious. Who you are can never be described, never be told, ever. वो words में कुछ बोला ही नहीं जा सकता. जैसे ही तुमने कोई शब्द यूज किया, चाहे तुम कितना भी profound बोलो, I am God, I am divinity, I am Brahman, I am Purusha, I am divine, I am mysterious, I am what. These are just words, nothing else. Your essence can never be described in words. At best, you can come to this is by being conscious. When you're conscious, when you bring your awareness into the present moment, that is the closest you can come to your true self. Which is why I keep saying, sit still, be silent, just watch what's happening. When you are sitting still, being silent, watching what's happening, then you come closest to your true self. And that true self ka quality is that of a, who would like to answer that? जैसे मनीष ने बोला that my biggest misbelief is I am a doer, and that biggest misbelief emerges because I believe I am the body. So what is it that you come closest to your true self? What is the dimension, quality of your true self? ये भी मैंने टिप दिया है actually आज. How can you get in most in touch with your true self? By doing what?
Sitting still.
But sitting still मतलब कर क्या रहे हो तुम?
Being in the present moment. Being in the present moment.
In the present moment. But what are you doing when you say being aware? What do you say?
Mindfulness.
Mindfulness. What do you mean by that? What are you really doing? What is that one quality that binds all of this?
Being conscious.
Okay, what is that one quality that binds all of this? Even being conscious.
Be an observer.
Okay, very good. You're coming close to it. Being an observer. Okay, but what is the word? Witnessing. Okay, that is when you begin to learn to witness, then that is the time when you come closest to your true self. बाकी सब drama है, बाकी सब time pass है. तुम आए इस दुनिया में, अपना तुमने ये ग्रहण किया, this body, and then you played the role of husband, wife, children, all that, business owner and all that, और चले गए. But you did not realize your true essence. And I will say, perhaps if you have come to these classes, maybe you have had some karma in the past to be coming to these classes. Otherwise, very few people are exposed to this knowledge, and very few people have an interest in this knowledge. क्योंकि इसका क्या करना क्या है? What is the use of it? ये इसका क्या धंधे में लगाएंगे? क्या करेंगे? Stock market में इसका tip use आएगा? Relationship में इसका कुछ इसका usefulness क्या है? Why should you even come to realize your true self? What is the use of it? Because our mind essentially is very transactional. इसका फायदा क्या है? But इतना मैं कह सकता हूँ कि जब तक you don't realize your true self, you will always be like a fish out of water. क्योंकि this mind will constantly make you believe that this happiness lies in something. By doing something, I will become happy. By having a certain relationship, I will become happy. This mind will constantly project. See, the fact is, we all want this one thing called happiness. And we all want this one thing called peace of mind. But the mind constantly is projecting happiness is outside of us. By doing something, I will be happy. By achieving something, I will be happy. By getting something, I will be happy. And all that you experience is nothing, a momentary pleasure, a momentary glimpse where your mind just stops and then again the same story starts. है कि नहीं? So whatever I'm saying, I'm assuming everyone can relate to it, because this is the nature of the human mind. It is not Prashant's mind or Mukta's mind or my mind. It's सबका mind यही है. So the only way you can really experience true happiness from your own being, kuch kare bana, is by cultivating the quality of a witness. And witness karne ke liye, you can witness at any point of time. Like in this moment, you can witness what's happening right now. You are the witness of the sound of my voice reaching your eardrums. You are the witness of the laptop screen in front of you. You are the witness of the sensations happening in the body. But you have to cultivate that quality of a witness and of awareness. And when you are doing something, it is difficult to cultivate this quality, क्योंकि दिमाग फिर यहाँ वहाँ, supposing तुम picture देख रहे हो, अब तुम कहाँ witness cultivate कर सकते हो, क्योंकि you are lost in that movie. And the same way, we are lost in the movie of our life. Now we are lost, like अभी business में ये करना है, दिमाग सोच रहा है इसको क्या business में कैसा strategic decision लूँ, अभी employees को कुछ bonus देना पड़ेगा, दिवाली आ गया, और दिमाग सोच रहा है ओके मेरी बेटी मेरे बारे में कुछ सोचती क्यों नहीं है, क्यों मेरा दिमाग मतलब something some your movie of your life is playing some scene and your mind is lost in that scene. So for you to cultivate the quality of witness, it is good if you learn to sit still and just observe what is happening. ऐसा नहीं है कि you can't cultivate the quality of a witness in whatever you're doing. You can, and I would really recommend you should. Like when you're having a cup of tea, learn to witness the taste, learn to witness the smell, or learn to witness the touch. When you're going for a walk, learn to witness the trees, learn to witness the sky, learn to observe what's happening. The quality of witness can only come in when you bring your attention to the present moment. अगर मैं बोलूँ ना spiritual practice अगर एक ही है और कुछ नहीं है, to bring your attention into the present moment, to just have that orientation. Mind कहीं पर भी जाए मैं उसको वापस लेके आऊँगा, कहीं पर भी जाए वापस लेके आऊँगा. जो भी मेरे को time मिले, supposing मैं कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ, let me practice being in the present moment. So when you cultivate this quality of a witness, then you come closer and closer to your true self.